Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if I told you there's a violin that can help you unleash your inner musician without waking up the whole neighborhood? Introducing the Aliyes electric/acoustic violin set, a game changer for music enthusiasts. This incredible instrument allows you to play it acoustically or electrically, with the option to plug in your headphones for a silent practice session that won't disturb anyone. The unique design of this violin is sure to inspire beginners, giving them the confidence boost they need to master the craft. The tone is pure and clear, with a bright sound that's easy to get familiar with, making it perfect for those just starting out. The Aliyes electric/acoustic violin set is well reviewed and a popular choice among music lovers, and for good reason. The hand-carved solid spruce top, ebony fingerboard, and alloy tailpiece with fine tuners all come together to create a rich, resonant sound that's hard to resist. The smooth texture of the fingerboard under your fingers and the soft feel of the chin rest against your skin make playing this violin a true joy. Whether you're practicing in your room or performing on stage, this violin is sure to deliver a captivating performance. With its versatility and ease of use, it's no wonder this violin is a top choice for musicians of all levels. So why not give it a try and discover the musician within you? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.